In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Circle. So in 2025, following a simple step-by-step guide to creating and optimizing your community online. We'll walk through everything from creating an account to engaging your community effectively. To get started, open your web browser and head to Circle.so. Here, you're greeted with the option to sign up or log in. If you're new to Circle.so, you can start by selecting the Start Free Trial option. Alternatively, if you already have an account, just click on Log In to proceed. Once you've gained access, it's time to set the foundation for your online community by creating a new community within Circle. So, click on Create a New Community and enter some initial details, like the name of your community, your logo, and a custom URL. Once that's set up, simply hit the Create Community button and you're off to a great start. The next phase is setting up spaces within your community. Spaces are essential for organizing different types of content, such as posts, courses, or events. Begin by navigating to the Spaces section, select Create Space, and then choose a space type that fits your needs. Give it a fitting name, like Announcements or Discussions, and click Create. Now let's lend a personal touch to your community by customizing its branding. Head over to the settings and click on Branding. Here you can upload your logo, cover image, and favicon. Plus, it's a great opportunity to customize your brand's color scheme to match your vision. Don't forget to click Save after making these changes. With your community looking fantastic, it's time to add some members. Go to Invite Members under the Members tab. You have the option to either enter email addresses directly or share an invite link, making it easy for others to join. With a growing community, creating posts and content is the next logical step. Browse over to one of your spaces and click Create Post. Here, you can embed various types of content such as text, images, videos, or even PDFs. Once you're happy with the content, press Post to share it with your community. For those looking to monetize their community, Circle.so provides an optional step to set up payments. In the settings under Payments, connect your Stripe account and establish either subscription plans or one-time payment options for your members. An engaged community is the key to success, so be sure to interact with your members. Reply to comments, tag them using the @symbol, or even host live events and sessions. These efforts go a long way in fostering a vibrant, participative environment. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through creating and setting up your online community on Circle. So, follow these steps, and you're well on your way to building a thriving online space for collaboration and engagement. Thank you for watching, and happy community building.